Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. Cakes are perfect to highlight many special occasions. They're so scrumptious, but what makes them even better is the frosting. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my cream cheese frosting. Extremely creamy, smooth, and tangy. This quick and easy recipe is amazingly tasty and perfect for your baked goods. So let's get cooking. In a bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add cream cheese and butter, both at room temperature. Using the paddle attachment, we'll process on low speed at first until mixed, then increase to high and process until the mixture is fluffy, about 5 minutes. As I always mention, let's not forget to clean the sides and the bottom of the bowl, alright? To this, we'll add pure vanilla extract and a couple pinches of fine salt. I use fleur de sel, and here's my favorite brand, which can be found at any specialty store or online. We'll process again for about 30 seconds. We'll now gradually add our sifted confectioner's sugar, reduce the speed to low, and mix until nicely blended before adding more. When the sugar is all in, we can increase the speed to high and process for 2 minutes or until fluffy. And my friends, this is our cream cheese frosting. It takes only 5 minutes, and you've got yourself an incredible topping for your cakes and cupcakes. With the perfect texture, this sweet and tangy icing will make your baked goods shine. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!